Some days you just have to laugh. Well, after recording all of the video for installing the rear luggage rack on my bike, I realized that somehow I switched my camera to record in hyperlapse. So this is all going to be in fast speed. So I'm re-recording my introduction. So yeah, what we are doing today is we're installing a rear luggage rack onto my bike. Yeah, it's interesting to do this because it came with no instructions. I suppose that is the downside to not buying genuine Honda parts or genuine parts. So yeah, join me on this little journey. I'm sure I'm going to add little bits of what's the word? Commentary in this interesting experience that I've just had. In the end, I love I love how it actually turned out on my bike. So yeah, come join me on this rather fast forward version of installing the rear luggage rack. In theory, this should be a rather simple process of taking off and putting back on. Let's start on this side. What I believe we're going to have to do in order for these bolts to fit is to cut a little bit off the saddlebag mounts. Otherwise the bolts are just too short. So let's do that. Yeah, one thing about working on bikes, you never set a time limit because they sometimes take a lot longer than anticipated. Okay. Okay, and as usual, you can struggle and struggle as much as you like, but unless you push something in the right angle, it's gonna not work. All I need to do is push the fender in the right direction, and it managed to pop in. Same deal. We are gonna shorten that, so let's go do that, shall we? This is Goldie, by the way, what's sitting next to me. It has a stator problem, so yeah, the battery's not charging, so I need to find the money to replace the stator and the regulator on her. Oh, reminds me, I need to take that battery out and give it a charge. It's been sitting for too long. Well, what can one say? It's done. I like it, and for a long time I have wanted a rear luggage rack on my bike, and so I finally have. Yes, it's changed the look of her completely. Well, it's changed the look of her anyway, and I like it, so it's good. Anyway, if you would like more on me making my life somewhat harder than it necessarily needs to be, because I totally did that in a very difficult way. I could have done it so much easier, but anyway. So, if you would like to if you like the content on motorcycles and doing things the hard way, artwork and sex-related stuff, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to be notified of any updates. See you next time. Bye.